guys, welcome back to Storytime Read Out Loud for you. Today's story is from the Disney Stitch Advent Calendar, a storybook library, day 11. Let's see what day 11 is. Not here. Do you guys see it? I see it. Yeah, good job. There it is. Today's story is Disney Stitch has a glitch part 1. Oh no, let's go. Disney Stitch has a glitch part 1. Let's go.
Aloha!
Stitch rocketed his spaceship toward a crowded beach. The little alien laughed as screaming humans ran away.
Aloha!
After creating a stampede, Stitch was ready to cause more damage on the island. From far off, he heard a voice.
Stitch, wake up!
Cried Lilo.
It's okay, you were just having another nightmare,
Explains Lilo. Lilo listened as Stitch described his dream.
It's my professional opinion that you are afraid of turning bad again,
She said. Then Lilo showed Stitch that he had nothing to worry about. His goodness level was extra high. See? Extra high. Later that day, Lilo learned that her hula class would participate in the town's hula contest. All the girls were excited about working on the costume with their mothers, except Lilo, who had her sister Nanny to look after her. Kumu could see that Lilo was hurt, so he gave Lilo a special picture of her mother, who had won the same hula contest when she was Lilo's age.
My mom? Wow.
Lilo loved the photo of her mother, but she didn't think she'd be able to win the contest.
My mom was beautiful like an orchid and graceful like a wave. I'll never be like her,
She said. But Stitch believed in Lilo. He convinced her that if they worked together, she could win. That night at home, something weird happened to Stitch. His eyes began to glow and he made a big mess. Everyone thought he was being naughty except Jumba,
I hope this day would never come,
said Jumba mysteriously as he raced to his lab. Peekly followed him.
Oh.
Stitch!
In the lab, Jumba told Plickly about the day he had created Stitch. Something had gone terribly wrong. The intergalactic police had burst in and arrested Jumba before he could finish charging Stitch.
Oh, now his circuit are going haywire,
Jumba explained.
and if it continues, they will burn themselves out like supernovas.
Jumba had to figure out a way to save Stitch before he shuts down forever. Before long, Jumba had some good news.
I finished plans for a new fusion chamber that will recharge Stitch.
He said.
However, we don't have alien technology to build it. We must find primitive Earth machinery and just hope it works.
So Plickly was sent out on a secret mission to collect the items they needed. To be continued.
I will take this. Need it for Stitch.
The end. If you guys like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my other videos and playlists. See you tomorrow for day 12. Bye. Thanks for watching.